Do watch till the end, because I will show you the most important analysis on Bitcoin, which can cause the price to go below $10,000. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the point. So as I was already talking about this falling wedge on Bitcoin 4-hour timeframe, well, it perfectly broke according to my analysis. But if you follow me on Twitter or my YouTube posts, I already told you that the $27,000 level is a very risky level to open a long position too early. Because the traders who already were in a long trade from the bottom of the wedge had their take profits at $27,000. That's why as soon as the price reached $27,000, it suddenly fell below because of profit booking. Now, I told you guys that I will take a trade at $27,400 level, but I did not, because I patiently waited for the daily candle to close before hoping on a long trade. So now after the daily candle closing, yes, I took a trade on Bitcoin at approximate $28,600 level. And let me show you the reason behind it. So as we can see the falling parallel channel, now it also broke out. Now if we get a reversal from this point, then the price can go for a retest to the $27,300 or maybe $400 level. Well, that's good for me, because then I will add more capital in my trade, so it's a win-win in both the situations. That target for this trade is the top of the wedge, which is the $31,000 level, but I'm expecting more by seeing the ascending broadening wedge target, which is at $34,000 level or maybe go above. Now let me show you the most important analysis that no one has talked about in the whole YouTube, Twitter community till now. So there is a very major head and shoulder pattern forming on the Bitcoin monthly time frame. Well, this pattern is still not confirmed, but if the weekly candle closes above the shoulder trend line, that the pattern will be invalidated, and then there is no need to worry. But if the weekly candle closes below the shoulder trend line, or below $27,000 level, then there are high chances of a dump in Bitcoin price. But if it closes above the trend line, then the price can continue to rise very easily. If the price sees a huge dump, then we can easily go to the $20,800, where the CME gap has been created. Now let me show the target price for the head and shoulder pattern. Wow, if this gets serious, then Bitcoin may go to $0. Okay, let's be serious. If the head and shoulder get a breakdown, the price can be the cyan colored dotted support line I have drawn at $6,000 level. Okay, just a very small analysis. If we look at the 4-hour EMA ribbon, we can see the price got a huge pump and left behind the EMA ribbons, so there are chances that the price may see a reversal in sake of a retest to approximate the $27,400 level. Yes, the level where I was first deciding to open long trade. If the price again comes to that level, then it will be a great opportunity to open more long trade. But guys, obviously this is just an analysis. If the price goes below, then it will be a great opportunity to add some more capital to my long trade. Okay guys, this is it for today's very important analysis. Don't forget to go down below this video and create a free account on Bybit and get free $30,000 gift for free. Plus, lowest trading fees every and zero sport trading fees. Just click my link in description, and you can get more exclusive benefits like a free shoutout from me, personally on a video, free $30,000 deposit gift, and many more benefits, so do create your account and get your welcome gifts. Thank you guys for watching, see you all in next video.